Unlocking removes carrier restrictions, allowing you to use your T-Mobile phone on another network. The T-Mobile app is the easiest way to check eligibility and request an unlock. Key requirements include an active T-Mobile account, device not reported lost or stolen, and meeting specific time or payment thresholds. Generally, devices can be unlocked after 40 days if financed, or immediately if paid in full. Open the T-Mobile app and navigate to Account, then My Phone, and finally unlock my device to start the process. The app will check your device's IMEI to determine eligibility. Once you've confirmed eligibility in the T-Mobile app, submit your unlock request. The app now uses AI for quicker eligibility checks, potentially processing requests within hours. You'll receive a confirmation via the app, email, or SMS with further instructions. T-Mobile reports high approval rates, with most eligible requests approved within 24 hours. Remember, devices with unpaid balances or reported lost stolen will be denied. Successfully unlocking your device increases its resale value and gives you the freedom to use it on other compatible networks. Keep in mind that unlocking doesn't bypass any contract obligations with T-Mobile.